I would definitely recommend Flooring America to a friend. From start to finish, the whole process was just great. I decided on my flooring because my next door neighbor works in construction and he recommended luxury vinyl. And when I went to the shop and saw it, I really liked it. My experience with Ken was just great. He was there every step of the way. If there was any little glitch in the process, he was there to handle it. He took care of it immediately. The installation team was fun to work with. Most of the furniture was in the garage, but they kept like the bed and the desk for me to work with, and they just kind of moved it around with me as they needed to move, so I was able to stay here. This stuff is amazing. It looks like a wood floor, and it's so easy to clean. This is not the vinyl that your mother had. This is just really pretty flooring. I would absolutely recommend Flooring America to a friend. The whole process has been so easy. Absolutely, absolutely, they're really great.